Hey guys, it's morning right now. It is like 10:20. I just wake up, so hope you're having a good morning and stuff. So yeah. So today is New Year's Eve. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing right now. I'm just so tired. I went to bed at like 1 or 2 o'clock. It's like 9 o'clock. I usually get that amount of sleep, but yeah. Oh well, plus guys, last night, I don't know if you last night I like did something, cause on my camera there's like little tassels and you can hear it in the unboxing and it like bops up and down. Yeah, I put some just like tape over that so you don't really hear that wrestling and stuff. So that's good. I think now I'm just gonna turn on my computer and upload the unboxing and just edit it, yeah. Just do that. So that's what I'm gonna be doing, yeah. As you guys can see, it's uploading now and it's on 11%. So I am uploading my unboxing of this camera right here. It's gonna take another 45 minutes about to get it to upload, and yeah. The video will be up by the time, so I think I'll leave a link in the description or put a card up there so you guys can see it. But yeah. So guys, nothing else is really happening. Just New Year's Eve and stuff. And just enjoy the family. And we're going to my auntie. She's got like a mansion type house. Like it's really big. Like literally humongous. Guys, it's about 4 minutes left on the unboxing. I've just got to quickly redo my thumbnail because I've got to do some stuff. And yeah. So guys, as you can see, it's night processing is 95% done and stuff. So yeah. I just finished doing my thumbnail. It just took a couple of minutes just to finish it. So yeah, that's all good. So. And my video is gonna go live. Just saying. It's still processing a bit. Hey guys, it turns out that I forgot to verify my account, so I just did that so then I can get my thumbnail and stuff. So yeah, I've got to re-upload it. It's gonna take another 49 minutes. Pretty chaotic going back and forth. This is the third time trying to re-upload it. Oh god, trying to re-upload it and stuff. So yeah, still gotta wait another 48 minutes. But yeah, I guess I can wait. So yeah, I think that will just. I'm gonna wait another 8 minutes and then I'll upload it at 1 o'clock. Yeah. Guys, I just finished up cleaning my dad's car. My unboxing should be ready. Rendered and all that. Oh, 9 more minutes. I've got some time to spare. I've got 9 more minutes, so that means I spent 39 minutes cleaning my dad's car. So yeah, just waiting for this to render and stuff, and then yeah, that's it. Basically, just gonna relax now, eat a bit. And just enjoy some Netflix and stuff. Just chilling. So guys, now we're just heading off to a bakery just to pick up some bread. And yeah. So guys, we just came back from the bakery, and yeah, we just, because later on we're going to go to my auntie's mansion, like sort of mansion house, and so yeah, we're gonna go there, and there's gonna be lots of like chefs and stuff, so I'm pretty excited for that. And here's my video. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna keep on chillaxing and stuff. Guys, I'm about to click the publish button after like 3 times trying to upload it. Bam, publish. So guys, we are about to go to Mario's house to show him this camera and this vlogging setup, and so then he can also see my video and stuff. So yeah, let's go. So guys, we are back home. I'm gonna get ready now to go to my auntie's mansion, and so I'm just gonna get changed, and yeah. Now already in like 2 hours, my my unboxing has got like 9 views, which I think is pretty good for me right now. But yeah, guys, remember to watch it. Card up. Wait. Look at the card up there. Function 6. Oh. Guys, I found the app and I'm playing it, and you get this really cool effect. But I'm playing with it, and whoa. That's sick, yo. You can change settings on. Gonna move like that, so. Oh, that's sick. That is sick. Let's change some. Can we change the settings? It's recording. I can see it. But that is sick. Like literally, you could actually hook this up. Try and hook it up on top of this, and it sort of becomes another monitor. Just like put it up here. So hey guys, welcome back. And that's really cool. That's actually really sick. I can see it. That is really cool, I would say. Thing is, you can't see it with the flip out screen. But that is sick, yo. That is sick. That is sick. You know what I mean? That's sick. I'm gonna turn it off. I just wanted to see it. So guys, I was just playing around with the Wi-Fi features, and it's really sick. I really like it. I could use it as a monitor if I'm doing static video. But like I said, I'm gonna get changed in a bit. I'm just gonna relax. I'm so tired for some reason. Then we're gonna go to my auntie's house for New Year's. Yeah. Right guys, just got out of the shower. I'm quickly gonna record a video about something, and I'll catch you up once it's done. So guys, just wrapped up that video. I think it was very good. I explained it very well, and if there's extra parts that I forgot, I'm gonna do them later. But now I'm all dressed. I got showered, yeah, finished the video, and my arm hurts. We're about to go and stuff, but yeah, glad I cleared up that video. Now it's over with. Now I'm gonna do my hair. Just get ready. So guys, I'm all ready to go. Yeah, I'm all ready. I think my dad's about to be all ready. Then we're gonna go. So guys, we're about to leave and go to the car and go to my auntie's mansion. So let the cinematics begin. So guys, basically we're just relaxing, going on Insta and stuff, just doing stuff, and everybody else is like outside enjoying it. It's, what time is it, Ken?
It's 43 past 9.
So it's 9:43. It's another like 2 hours and 17 minutes until New Year's Eve. So guys, they're leaving. I think everybody feels hungover and stuff. Everybody's like drunk and stuff. Everybody's sorry. So guys, I'm gonna end the vlog now just because I'm super tired, and yeah, I just really want to end the vlog and go to sleep and get actually some sleep into it. But yeah, I hope you guys had an amazing New Year's Eve, or going to have one. I don't know what's gonna come up, but I hope you guys had a good, happy New Year and stuff. Lots of new vlogs of 2016. I am so tired. That's why I'm talking so weirdly. See you guys in the next vlog. See ya.